TikTok just rolled out the ability for everybody to be able to post on TikTok stories, and guess what? This is going to completely change the game. It's going to change, 1, whether or not you go viral on TikTok, 2, how you can monetize your TikTok, and it's going to change so much more. In addition to that, TikTok just rolled out another secret feature that I'm going to be sharing with you later on in this video that again is going to help you go viral. In fact, a lot of you guys are going to gain 100,000 followers literally overnight if you can use this feature correctly. Because with this new feature, it's not an opportunity that's going to last forever, but if you're able to take advantage of it and get in on it early, you are going to reap the benefits. Honestly, this might be the most important video that I've ever dropped about TikTok, how to grow on TikTok, and how to go viral on TikTok. So let's get right into it. If you want to post on your stories right now, you need to know how to post on your stories, and there's 2 ways to do it. First, you can click the blue arrow that's on your icon when you're looking at your homepage on TikTok, or what you can do, go to post, go under quick, and that is gonna allow you to post onto your stories. Now, posting on your stories is only gonna last for 24 hours. It is not going to last for forever, and people are only gonna be able to see it if they click on your icon right now. Right now, there's not a very easy way like there is on Instagram, or like there is on Snapchat, or like there is on YouTube for somebody to be able to view your story. So right now they're going to have to go to your profile in order to actually view your story, but this is going to be changing quickly, and so many other things about stories are going to be changing. So let's get into it. And for you, this has unlocked a huge opportunity. Why? Because you're in on stories early. Even though they came out on Friday, today's Monday, you can still get in on this early. This is probably gonna only last for a week or 2, so please make sure you guys take advantage of this. When it comes to stories, a lot of creators are just posting random stuff on there. Now, TikTok stories are very different than stories on any other platform. You can see comments on it, you can see likes on it, and you can also see how many people viewed it. So what does that mean? That means when you're posting on TikTok stories, you should be posting content that you want to test to see how well it would do on TikTok. This is a huge hack, and this is going to help you go viral. Test hooks on there. Test videos that you were gonna post on TikTok on there. Test the initial part of a video that you were gonna post on TikTok, and this is how you're gonna be able to determine what your audience actually wants to see and what is going to do well. If a post gets a lot of likes on your story, well then guess what? It will probably do good when you post it on TikTok. If a post gets a lot of comments when you post it on your story, again, it is going to mean that that post will do well. Please use this as a tool for you to be able to test what topics and what hooks are gonna work really well. This is a huge hack that so many brands have been implementing for forever. Brands have been doing this for forever. Big creators like Gary Vee, who I used to work for, have been doing this for forever, but now you guys can do it on TikTok stories. Let me explain. So in the past, the way that brands and the way that people like Gary were able to test what content they were going to be putting out is they would run ads. They would run ads for like $10 to $25 and have 2 different posts, and whichever posted the best from a watch time perspective, guess what would happen? They would then actually post that thing on their organic feed, and this was a really easy way for $10 or $25 in ad spend for them to be able to determine what hook worked or what would resonate with their audience with the best. And now you can do that same exact thing on TikTok stories. You cannot do that on YouTube stories, you can't do that on Snapchat stories, and you can't do that on Instagram stories because you don't have the metrics behind it, but on TikTok, you do have those metrics. So let's take advantage of this. But that's not the only thing that you could take advantage of with TikTok stories. There are several other ways that you can help them make you go viral, and you're gonna be able to monetize them. But before we dive into that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally drop a video about how to grow on those platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free TikTok growth course that'll tell you the best hashtags to use and what time you should be posting. All you have to do is go to the link in the pinned comment below, get into it right now. Registration will be closing soon, so I strongly suggest you get into that if you're serious about growing on TikTok. Again, it's 100% free and it's not going to last forever, so please make sure you take advantage of it. So when it comes to how often you should actually be posting on your stories, right now I would only post 3 to 4 times a day on your TikTok stories. And remember, one of those posts should be getting people to follow you. When it comes to getting followers on TikTok, you need to understand something. TikTok stories is gonna be an amazing way for you to have a call to action. It's gonna be non-intrusive. For example, I'm gonna be dropping a video about how to lose 10 pounds in 7 days. All you have to do is click the plus sign in order to get it. You should be doing things like that if you're a fitness creator, or if you're a crypto creator. Hey, I know a new coin or I know a new NFT project that's going to be huge. I'm gonna be dropping a video about it later on today. Make sure you click that plus sign so that you don't miss it. Because at the end of the day, a lot of people that go to your profile on TikTok are not going to be people that are following you. So you need to get them to follow you. Use your TikTok stories to be able to do this. Do this with 1 post a day, and then the other 2 to 3 posts that you're doing, they should be testing new hooks and testing new topics that you're going to be posting on TikTok. And you want to make sure that they're going to do well, so you post them on your stories first. For example, creators like Boston Be a Man are people that should be doing this. Why? Because their content is incredibly dependent on whether or not it actually hits with their audience. They could have 1 post that gets 90,000 views and the next post get 400,000 or 2 million or 3 million. And this happens over and over and over again because posts on TikTok are 100% dependent on whether or not there's an audience for your content. And the easiest way for you to be able to know that now is going to be using TikTok stories to figure out what actually resonates with your audience. This is really going to change the game for all of you creators that have been struggling to consistently go viral on TikTok or just go viral at all. Because at the end of the day, whether or not TikTok actually pushes out your content is going to be dependent on whether or not they think they have an audience for that content. And now you have a super easy way to test it without you having to post on your feed and have a post flop or have a post do bad and then you feel bad about it because you just posted on your story and it's going to disappear within 24 hours anyway. But it doesn't stop there. TikTok also put reposting on everybody's thing now. If you do not know what reposting is on TikTok, it's the same thing as retweeting on Twitter. What you're gonna do to repost, you're gonna click on the share arrow on somebody's page. Then repost is gonna come up. If you click that, that is then going to push that content to all of your followers. In addition to that, you can leave a comment or you can leave a reason on why you're reposting it. So you guys need to change the call to actions that you're putting in your videos now. Instead of just asking people to follow, test asking people to repost. If you're able to make a post that is repostable, which again, if you're going to make a post that is repostable, it's got to be something that somebody feels represents how they feel or something that's incredibly relatable. So please make sure that you're making your content through the lens of both those things. But if you're able to get a ton of people to repost something, your video is going to go viral and you are going to gain more followers than you could have ever imagined. This is going to completely change the game on viral loops. If you remember 2 years ago on TikTok, if you were able to get people to share, copy link, or share their videos to their friends, your video will go viral. The same exact thing is going to be happening with reposts right now. So please make sure you add a call to action into your content, get people to repost, make sure you're taking advantage of this repost feature for content that you think is good and that you should push out so that you can learn how this feature actually works. Because again, this feature just came out and is going to have a huge impact on whether or not you're growing on TikTok right now. Because at the end of the day, if you're able to take advantage of this new feature right now, one, you're going to be one of the only people on the app actually doing this. Two, you're going to get your videos into viral loops, which are going to get you more followers, get you more virality, and make all of your other posts get pushed out because you need to understand something. When somebody reposts something and then all of their followers see it, if their followers then engage with your content, then your past content and your future content are going to get pushed to their audience. This is huge, guys. This is going to completely change the game. Basically, this is sharing, but on steroids. In the past, when you were going to share something, somebody might have put it in their group chat or might have shared it to one friend or texted it to somebody. Now they can literally push it out to their whole entire audience with just the push of a button. And for those of you guys that are monetizing your TikTok, you need to make sure that you're now throwing story posts into that. You could start charging more money to brands. You can start doing brand deals that are exclusively story posts. And you guys need to understand, links are coming to stories soon. What does this mean for you? This means that you're going to be able to, one, link out to your own products. Two, link out to websites. For a lot of you fashion creators, you're going to be able to monetize way crazier once this stuff begins to come. And we're finally starting to see that. Over the next couple months, you're going to see TikTok become a lot more monetizable. Links are coming to posts. Links are coming to stories. And this is going to completely change the game. Whether you're monetizing your TikTok right now and you're not seeing enough money, not the money that you want to be seeing, or you're not monetizing at all, I created this video right here that you guys need to watch. It's going to teach you how to monetize your TikTok no matter how many followers you have. And I strongly suggest you watch it right now if you want to make more money on TikTok.